Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 2-pack of shoe washing machine bags. This is such a neat idea because we wash our shoes all the time in the washing machine and you just hear this clanking constantly as it's going through. This eliminates that. They actually have little holders so you can transport them or hang them up to dry after you're finished using them. But I will bring you in here close and we will take a look at these things, but I'm really excited to try these things out. So here's the bag up close. You've got your little hanger right here, and then it's mesh on the side with a nice fabric on the outside. You've got their zipper, which actually, I love that they've put this little cover over it. So it kind of holds that in place and it keeps the zipper from flopping up and making the noise in the dryer as well. Cause I mean, it kind of defeats the purpose if that's gonna make the noise instead. But on the inside here, you've got these 1-inch microfiber all over the entire thing. And this thing measures 15.4 by 7.5. So it's got a lot of space in there and a hold a variety of different shoes. Now this is a size 10 women's shoes. Put that in there. I mean, we've got lots of room still in there. Just put it in there, zip it up, and then you throw that in the washer. So just to kind of show you the noise difference of this being in the bag, dropping it from here, and then just taking your shoe. So that will eliminate a lot of noise from your washing machine. And with the little insides right here, it's gonna simulate like a hand washing whenever it's washing it through and just be scrubbing all around on the shoe and get it all cleaned up. This is a great way to wash your shoes, get them nice and clean and not have to listen to it in the washing machine.